Jerry Matthews, please come to the main office. Jerry Matthews, please come to the main office.
That's way easier to Okay, if the theme's not easy to change, don't worry about
Hey class, welcome. So, my name is Benjamin Huang and I graduated from Santa Clara University with a computer science degree. And what I'd like to show you guys is how to make a web page by writing HTML code. I know some of you guys might already be familiar with websites, like maybe you think you've used like a tool like Weebly or WordPress, but what I'm going to show you is not making a website by using those tools, but actually writing it. So the text editor I like to use is Sublime Text, and here I already have some things, but we are going to start from the beginning. So right now it's blank, and this is what we will be building. But when our HTML is blank, the page it shows, it's going to be blank too. So let's make something in our page. The P tag is one of the most common HTML tags, and it stands for paragraph. So if I write this is a paragraph, and then I save it, I refresh here, it's going to show us this is a paragraph. If I make this again, it's going to show us this is a second paragraph. So,
question. Can you highlight the text real quick?
Highlight the text? Here?
Not there, but in the HTML.
Yes.
You can't see the red. Just what else you highlight that? Just in the middle. Oh, you can't see the red parts because the theme's dark. That's all right. So tags will be almost invisible.
The tags?
Yeah, we can't see them. They're red. They're like dark red.
Oh.
/p is not available.
If I enlarge it, maybe.
Well, no, the color does not work with the background.
Yeah, better.
Okay. So the P tag is an example of a block tag, meaning it takes up a whole line by itself. But I want to show you guys an inline tag. The strong tag is an inline tag that makes the word thicker. So let's look at this. You would notice the word second is made bold. That's because we use a strong tag. Another very common HTML tag is called a header tag, the H1 tag. So what this does is it gives us a large size text. We also have an H2. Like these are useful for titles. The H1 is useful for the large title, and H2 is useful for a subtitle. And we have H3, H4. Just want to show you all these H tags up to H6. Sublime would often ask you to purchase it, but you don't need to purchase it to use it. So now we have all these titles. Oh.
Projector doesn't.
There we go. Oops. So you guys can see this now. We have these titles, and another common element in HTML is the list. And now there's two kinds of lists, an ordered list and an unordered list. So I'm going to show you guys an unordered list. each list, the unordered list is a UL tag, and inside we have an LI, which stands for list item. So if I write this code, what it's going to give us is this, item 1 and item 2. Now let's make an OL tag. The OL is the ordered list. So now we can compare the two lists. So depending on your purposes, you might want to use an unordered list or an ordered list. Another thing you can do is nest lists together. So what I'm going to do is move the unordered list, the ordered list into the unordered list. And indentation is good practice, by the way. So now, let's see what this gives us. So now we have the ordered list as a sublist within the ordered list. Within the unordered list, sorry. So in our web page, sometimes we want to have a link we can click on. So like when we click on it, it's going to take us to another link. So what we do is use an A tag. The A tag stands for, the A stands for anchor. And in the A tag, there's an href attribute. This is where you type in the URL of the link you want to go to. So a website I think is pretty cool is deviantart.com. I think some of you might know it. And this is the link it's going to go to. But you want it to display a text, so let's say DeviantArt. What this is going to do is give us this. So right now, if I click on this, oh, I wasn't connected to the internet. So, but if I was connected, this will take us to the website, deviantart.com.
Can you right click on your actual web page and then view source?
Oh.
Yeah, right click that view source and we can actually see it.
Source? Oh, here. Yes.
Then you can see what he's typing. So what he's typing is the same as that. You can see the color easier.
I see. Yeah, so this is what I have. And oftentimes we want to have images in our web page. So another common tag is called image tag. You will notice the image tag, it's what's called a self-enclosing tag. It means most of these tags, such as the P tag, there's an opening tag, which is angle brackets, and the closing tag, which is angle brackets too, but also with a slash here. The image tag, it doesn't have that closing tag, it's a self-enclosed. So here, this is where we type the source of an image relative to our HTML file. So I have an image stored just for this purpose. So what this does is it gives us an image. So if you guys had a computer, I would like to see what you guys can build, but since you guys are not on Sublime Text, what I could do is show you guys how to style your web page.
They can get on it, so when you're ready, they can log into these computers and there's already select text on it.
Oh.
So when you're ready, they can get a computer and follow along.
All right. If you guys are all right with it, I'd like to see you guys try building something similar to what I have, but you can type in any text you want.